Pedal mistakes are more common than you think. Stay calm, keep your footing light, and never rush when turning. Precision beats speed every time. Hard to reach areas. Subscribe to my channel for silly road accidents. Oh, is anyone here? If you are crossing such a rough river, you should know the limits of your truck, the depth of the water, the speed of the river, the angle of exit. Get these wrong, and you will have to swim home, melt into. The combination of slippery terrain, weight distribution, and steep slopes creates a perfect storm for rear heavy drum instability. Sting the center of gravity rearward, making the forklift dangerously difficult. Proper traction control critical. Can challenge the lumber truck to lift off the ground. The pipe is used to carry water, not for excavators to pass through. Need to control a 30-ton truck on harsh slopes. The vehicle performs perfectly with this system, transmitting brake force through wall, preventing wear and ensuring safety when going uphill, with the hydrodynamic principle pushing the truck forward. Very powerful. This scene clearly demonstrates the machine's ability and power in handling hard objects, creating an impressive image. The situation at the scene was very tense, with about 40 to 60 vehicles involved. Oh my gosh! This disruption caused serious traffic jams and affected the travel of many people. The people who helped were probably men. Now always think before stopping at a corner is risky, because other vehicles have less reaction time. Traffic safety starts with responsibility. Spring turns these streams into unpredictable traps. One wrong step, and this car could be stuck until summer. The opportunity to adjust the heavy rescue operation was carried out by the team in a heavy-duty tow truck to move the damaged tractor on the runway. The combination of strength and professional rescue ability helped to resolve the difficult situation, ensuring a safe back, allowing the work to continue without any hindrance. Class makes all the difference. The heavy timber truck went up a steep hill without any difficulty. The vehicle had to face extremely difficult conditions when transporting wood in a rugged forest. When encountering obstacles, the driver used a winch to rescue himself and pull the machine out of the difficult situation. The durability and flexibility of the machine in harsh conditions helped complete the job effectively, affirming the strength and durability of the device. The truck is not a normal person. Anything can happen, especially when pulling heavy loads. This is a real test of driving skills and truck entrance safety first. A chainsaw costs less than a new car. A winch can help, but brute force and bad ideas will cost you everything. This sugarcane truck was suddenly lifted up. The curve of the car may be completely wrecked, but their guardian angel deserves a raise. It has gone through the destruction on the level and still protects them. Always keep a safe distance. If you can, stop when the car in front slows down. You are too close, plain and simple. This is why proper weight distribution and speed control are important when driving. Thick mud-soaked straw and the determined machine pushed through without giving up, without fighting. Safely operating a wind turbine is already a challenge, but getting stuck on a train track is the next level of stress. The collision was very serious, but luckily the truck driver got out. Trailer hitch failure, water reasons, poor equipment, or human error. Always double check your connections and safety chains. A simple check can make the difference between a normal ride in an out of control trailer. Never trust your excavator near water, especially when heavy loads are present. Compact the soil, reinforce with rock, or better yet, keep the excavator back a few meters. This truck not only carries wood, but also soil. He in blue acted quickly and decisively to save the excavator from falling down the embankment. At the last minute, thanks to his timely intervention, the excavator avoided the accident and continued working safely, contributing to the success of the whole team. It's a way to unload cargo in record time using no shovels, just pure gravity. This is the kind of nightmare you pray never happens in your neighborhood. A stolen 18-ton truck was driving down the street. It's a miracle no one was hurt. Cars can save lives. A truck is stuck on a winding mountain road with steep turns and slippery surfaces that push even the most experienced drivers to their limits.
Eat a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie.
Soft ground doesn't care how big your machine is, it will swallow anything. Flood rescue requires proper planning, but sometimes quick thinking can save lives. Bulldozers aren't boats, but in the hands of trained people, they can be the next best thing. With overwhelming power transporting heavy goods across a river, the large vehicle strongly overcomes all challenges of the terrain, affirming its ability to conquer natural obstacles that few vehicles can match. Oh my god, come on, oh my god. The strong wind blew fiercely, causing the tractor trailer to lose balance and flip over on the side of the road. A rare incident, you didn't think so? Oh my god, here we go. This is why experience matters. This guy, don't panic, take his time, and get the job done like a pro. Smooth calculation, and no textbook damage. Perfect. Brute power pulling hay, with the front end high, a bold statement of traction and power. Tarps are no substitute for proper side barriers, especially on busy roads. One hard break and burst an ocean of bottled water. The car was going and suddenly the wheel fell off. It's old school ingenuity and makes for a great team using traction, and a little power goes a long way. A brave tractor tries to rescue a caravan of cattle in a truck, but things quickly get out of control. This is a classic example of good intentions going bad. Sometimes using the wrong tool turns a rescue to a struggle. The truck was falling down the hill. Just a little more patience, but unfortunately the truck was pushed back and went down the hill. It's not a road, it's a swamp with tire tracks that look like the trucks are taking a free mud bath, whether they like it or not. At this point the backhoe is probably just part of the road crew. It was a classic lesson about the center of gravity of an excavator that suddenly tipped over while working. A giant dump truck got stuck in a difficult spot, but the crew didn't give up. Step by step, they worked together to get it back on track. This is the best team spirit.